Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing another skincare unboxing plus a little, not haul, but just a couple of things that I've picked up lately for my skin. And yeah, I wanted to go ahead and show you guys. Excuse my messy hair, it's not styled at all. I'm trying not to use a lot of heat on it. I also don't have any makeup on because I want to demo these products for you. So there's that. Also, this video is not sponsored. I was not sent these products. I pay for these products on my own, and yeah, I'm not getting paid to talk about this company. Alright, so real quick before I get into the unboxing, I'm going to go ahead and show you a couple things that I've picked up for my skin. So I picked up a couple of things from Mad Hippie because I wanted to try out a couple of things from them. I was specifically looking for a vitamin C serum to help with scarring and stuff, and I came across Mad Hippie. I had heard of them before, but I hadn't really looked into them very much. So I wanted to go ahead and try their vitamin C serum, and then I went ahead and picked up their face cream because they had it kind of on sale at Ulta. So the packaging is super cute, as you can see. And I already like the vitamin C serum so far. It blends in really, really well. So there will be pictures on my Instagram if you want to check out more pictures of them. But this is just a very light serum, and it's like a, not necessarily like a slimy serum, but it's just like, it has that kind of texture, which I don't mind because I really like that texture personally. And then the face cream I've only used once, but here is what the face cream looks like. It's in this like little bottle here. So all of their packaging is super cute. This has peptides, acai, argan, and resveratrol, so that's super cool. So this is the Andalou Naturals Canacell Sun Buddy SPF. So as you can see right on here by this little leaf, it has CBD in it from hemp, so that's really cool. And I like finding more natural stuff so it doesn't have like ingredients that I want to stay away from. And then last thing is just this Thayer's Witch Hazel. This is the rose petal one. So I just wanted a nice witch hazel to help balance my skin out and with redness and all that good stuff. So these are just some ingredients that I've been wanting to try to incorporate into my skincare. Alright, so I'm doing an unboxing first impression of BioClarity. So here's the box. It's super cute. Like, it's adorable. I really like the packaging there. I love unboxing videos. Oh, does it just open straight up? Ooh, that's kind of nice. Ooh, here's the... Sorry about that, y'all. Okay, so here is the inside. I also got this little product, which I will get to in a second. So I got their like mini set. They have where you can use it like make it a subscription, which I don't want to do because I hadn't tried any of the products. So I got the like just little set. They have like a, I think it's called like the Garden Glow set or something. I'll try to link it below if I can, if they still have it. I know it's limited edition, I think, but ooh, this is definitely going to be my new makeup bag. This is so cute. It says Garden Giving Skin Loving Beauty. That's super cute. This is definitely going to be my new makeup bag. That's just adorable. So that's really cute. Oh wow, these are a lot smaller than I thought they would be, but that's fine. So getting into the actual set in here, it comes like this with all your little goodies inside. It comes with 4 products. So the first one is the Cleanse Cucumber Green Tea Chamomile Face Wash. So just a little, this is a really small sample. Like compared to my Clean Skin Club one, this is so tiny. And then you get the Restore Power of Green. I'm really excited about this because they use this like thing that they call Floralux, which is basically chlorophyll, like the green stuff from plants. Next is the Hydrate Skin Smoothie. Really excited to try this too. This also has the Floralux, and it has argan and olive. Ooh, yeah, would you look at that? It's got like a green tint to it. It's kind of jelly, which I really like those kind of moisturizers. And then I also got the Clarifying Mask, which has the Floralux, tea tree, and aloe. So I like that it has tea tree oil. I really like using tea tree oil on my skin. My skin reacts really well to it, and it really helps heal my breakouts quicker. So I'm excited to use this. So I'm going to be using all of these today. And then I also, the only full-size thing that I got because it wasn't in here that I really wanted to try is the Zen Ultra Calming Serum. So this has Floralux, licorice root. So this is a full-size product actually. And here is what it looks like. I love their packaging. I think it's really cute. And it's an ultra calming serum. I'm really excited to try these out. So we will move on to the bathroom and try all these products out. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and start by washing my face with the first step, the cleanser here. It's not filling up a ton, which I like. I don't like super foamy cleansers. Okay, so my skin definitely feels clean. It doesn't feel like tight really. So I'm going to let my skin kind of get some of its natural oil back before I go in with the mask, because I find if I put a mask on right after washing my face, it always burns my face regardless of what kind of face mask it is. It doesn't really matter where it's from or what it's got in it. It always irritates my skin if I put it on like right after washing my face. So I'm going to let my skin kind of rest for a minute. Ooh, my skin does feel really soft too, so that's nice. So, alright, I'm going to go ahead and maybe go do some dishes and I'll be back to do the mask shortly. From your point of view.
It's soapy. It smells kind of earthy.
Earthy scent. That's nice.
Suds nice. Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to wash your face. First you're going to lather up, and you're going to get the trouble areas, which is right in the bridge crease of the nose, and then the forehead.
That's
you also
you
want to make
really...
sure you get it in your eyes, because your eyes get dirty. Then you're going to get your beard area.
Gotta lather that up.
Yep. And your mustache. And you're just going to kind of rub it as hard as you can. If you've got fingernails, this is a good time to activate the pores.
Oh my god.
And scratch the daylights out of them. Make sure you get all that grease out.
Oh my god.
Then you're going to take boiling hot water and just pour it all over your face. Then you're going to take ice water and do the same thing.
How's your skin feel?
Wet. Okay guys, so I'm about to dry my face. How you want to do this? I'm going to take the towel and then you just want to rub it as hard as possible.
Oh my god.
I'm just kidding. That feels nice, clean.
Good.
Fresh. Fine. Great. Clean. Wow.
There we go.
That's
Alright.
hot.
I know, right? So now I want to take the clarifying mask. So my skin does feel a little dry around my mouth area, but that's just kind of just my skin. Unless I use like a milky cleanser, gel cleansers always do that. And it is winter, so my skin is dry anyway. This is the Pore Purifier. This is probably going to dry my skin out just a little bit. Ooh, it will purify, perfect, and tone. You can let this on for 30 minutes. I don't know about that. So we're going to go ahead and use this. Ooh, I can smell the tea tree. It smells nice. I feel like this is going to burn my skin, so we'll see. It's definitely cooling. You can just sit up here if you want. Oh my gosh. Alright, so I'm going to let this sit on my skin for a little bit. It's not burning overly bad. It's not even like burning, it's just very tingly. So we're going to let this set and I will be back shortly. So my face is all dry. It's actually been probably like 15 minutes or so. It's literally like completely dry. It did stop tingling after the first little bit, so it doesn't tingle the whole time, which is nice. So it doesn't feel like it's like burning my skin off or anything. And even when it was tingling, it was kind of just like a tea tree oil kind of tingle and not like burning your skin. Alright, so now that that's rinsed off, I'm going to let my skin rest for a second before I go in with any of the serums, just so I can see how my skin is dryness wise and all of that good stuff. And so my pores can have a chance to kind of close up a little bit before putting a whole bunch of stuff on them. Alright, so now I am back. My skin has set for a little while. It still feels really nice, although I do have a tiny bit of dryness around my mouth, like over around here especially, which is not super uncommon because it's winter anyway, but the mask was really nice. The tingling did stop after a little while, so I really liked that. So yeah, it's a little bit on the dry side, but my skin doesn't feel overly tight or anything. So we're going to go ahead with the rest of the routine. I'm going to go ahead with the Restore, and then the Zen Serum, and then the Hydrate. It's a really dark green, which is really cool. That's actually really nice. It is not burning my skin like at all. Alright, and then I'm going to go ahead and use the Zen Serum. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and use the Hydrate Skin Smoothie. The packaging of these are really cute. They just look super natural and green, and I love the packaging. It's really cute and simple. So I'm going to go ahead and use some of this. It's probably way too much, but here is the Skin Smoothie. It's like a gel kind of moisturizer. It does have the Floralux in it as well. So okay, this one kind of burns a little bit, not gonna lie. Don't love that. That's a very intense tingling. It says designed for even the most sensitive skin. I don't know about that. Yeah, we will see how that works. So we're going to go ahead and bounce back to my room so I can give you my final first impression thoughts on this line. Alright guys, so I'm back in my room now. Here's my skin after applying all of the products. My skin feels clean, it feels moisturized, it feels hydrated. The tingling has gone away from the Skin Smoothie, which I really don't like that it has that intense tingling feeling. Because it's supposed to be like soothing. Alright, so starting with the cleanser. I really like this cleanser. It's a nice gel, simple cleanser. It left my skin feeling clean, not overly dry, not tight. Definitely not like a milk cleanser, but they do different things. So this is really good, I feel like, for combination skin and oily skin. I don't know if I would use it if you have dry skin unless you're prepared to like put a lot of moisture on after. But I personally like using a cleansing milk, but sometimes I like to have a gel cleanser just to have like a deeper cleanse, and I feel like that's what this will be good for. So I do like this cleanser though. Micah liked it as well, as you could see. And then getting to the clarifying mask. This was really nice. It does tingle a little bit when you first put it on, but that goes away after like a minute, I would say. And I think it's just because of the tea tree in here. But yeah, it smells like tea tree oil. I like that it has tea tree in it because my skin, tea tree oil helps clear my skin up quicker. I know you're probably thinking like, clear your skin up, you don't have acne. But I do have some like minor breakouts. My skin doesn't have like cystic acne anymore. I can do like a whole like skin journey, if you will, if you would like. You can comment below if you would like to see that. So I really liked the mask. It didn't irritate my skin. It didn't leave my skin feeling irritated or red. Okay, next I'm talking about the Restore. This was really nice. It's a very lightweight kind of gel-like serum. It soaks in, you can't really feel it, and it has the Floralux in here. It's redness reducing, so that's cool. I'm really excited to have this in my routine because I like having very nutrient dense kind of products in my routine to get good ingredients into my skin. So I'm excited to have this in my routine, and I'm definitely gonna use this, and I'm probably gonna purchase the big size because I really like having that like green juice kind of product going into my skin. I mean, the same thing is kind of with this, the Zen Ultra Calming Serum. This has, I think, pretty similar ingredients. It's just a little bit of a different consistency, but I really like it. It's a very like lightweight gel, whereas the Restore I feel like is a little bit thicker. Yeah, the Restore is definitely more of a opaque green, and the Zen is more of a like a watery green. And even after both of these, my skin wasn't feeling like sticky or anything once it soaked in and everything, and it felt really nice and clean. So it doesn't, these two products didn't weigh my skin down at all. Okay, and then the Hydrate Skin Smoothie. I'm going to try this more. I'm going to give it a fair shot, but I don't like that it burns my skin. It's not like an intense burning, but it is a very intense tingling, more so than the mask. So I don't love that. And with a name like a skin smoothie, it sounds like it should be very hydrating and very soothing for your skin. And the fact that it says even for the most sensitive skin, I'm like, I don't know about that. So I'm going to give this another shot. I'm going to give it, you know, I'm probably going to use up the whole thing, but I'm going to give it a chance. But first reaction, oof. I don't know. Yeah, there are my final thoughts on, or my final first thoughts on the BioClarity set. Yeah, I would give it like 4.5 out of 5 stars. First impression, to be honest. So I'm going to keep you guys posted. Check out pictures on Instagram if you want to see these up close. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.